Hello friends, very good all of you. Welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Notes, Changing the Way of Learning. स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे आरआरबी जेई, एसएससी जेई, ईएसी, गेट, ऑल स्टेट एई एंड जेई एग्ज़ाम के लिए टेक्निकल पार्ट बिल्डिंग मटेरियल का एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आंसर का बारे में मैं अभी बात करने वाला। तो चलिए अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। The percentage of the residue left after sieving good Portland cement in 90 micron sieve should not exceed 10%. Correct answer B. The expansion in Portland cement can be tested by soundness test. The specific surface of a good Portland cement should not be less than 2250. The expansion of Portland cement is caused by magnesia and silica, both B and C. Correct answer D. The compressive strength of a good Portland cement and standard sand mortar after 3 days of curing should not be less than 11.5 mn per meter square. Correct answer B. The sand is mixed with lime mortar to लाइम मटर के साथ सैंड को मिक्स करा जाता किस लिए? प्रिवेंट सिंकेज एंड क्रैकिंग. प्रिवेंट सिंकेज एंड क्रैकिंग. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? यहाँ पे चारों स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ, कौन सा वाला करेक्ट है? द सैंड यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग मोटर शुड बी फाइन. रॉन्ग. The rounded grains of sand produce a strong mortar. A भी wrong. The mortar made with coarse sand is stronger than the one made with fine sand. The mortar made with coarse sand is stronger than the one made with fine sand. It is correct. A correct statement. For RCC construction, the maximum size of coarse aggregate is limited to maximum size of aggregate, coarse aggregate. RCC construction में maximum size of coarse aggregate limited to 25 mm. The buckling of sand with addition of water up to 5% by weight. The buckling of sand increases with addition of water up to about 5% by weight. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर ये होगा. कंक्रीट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग इन टेंशन बट वीक इन कंप्रेशन. कंक्रीट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग इन टेंशन, ये रॉन्ग है. कंक्रीट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग इन कंप्रेशन एंड वीक इन टेंशन, ये फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. Consolidation of concrete should proceed immediate after placing. Immediate after placing. Consolidation of concrete should proceed immediately after placing. Correct answer D. The workability of cement concrete can be improved by increasing the quantity of cement. Increasing the quantity of cement. Correct answer A. The durability of concrete is proportional to cement aggregate ratio. Cement aggregate ratio. The durability of concrete is proportional to cement aggregate ratio. 44 number question. The maximum water cement ratio for durable concrete is 0.8. The durability of cement concrete is usually improved by increasing the quantity of cement. Correct answer B. The strength of cement concrete increases increase in the size of aggregate, increase in the temperature of water of curing, increase in the size of aggregate, all of the above. The density of concrete dash with increase in the size of aggregate. यहाँ पे correct answer B, increases. The density of concrete increases with increase in the size of aggregate. The strength of cement concrete is directly proportional to cement water ratio. It is correct. Agree. Yes. The shrinkage of concrete dash its bound strength increases. A 150 number क्वेश्चन का आंसर. एक क्वेश्चन छूट गया. 149 149 नंबर. The shrinkage of concrete increases with increase in the percentage of concrete. Correct answer C. 151. The shrinkage of ordinary concrete is about 0.3 to 0.6 mm per m. 152. The coefficient of linear expansion of concrete is almost the same as that of steel. Correct. According to Indian standard specifications, the full strength of concrete is achieved after 28 days. According to Indian standard specification, the concrete should be cured under a humidity of 90%. According to Indian standard specification, the temperature for curing is 27 degrees Celsius. The slump test of concrete is used to measure its consistency test. Very important question. Very important. The slump test of concrete is used to measure its consistency test. The central part of a tree is called, very important, pith. The central part of a tree is called pith. The thin radial fiber extending from the pith to the cambium layer is called medullary ridge. Yes, the defect caused due to over maturity and unventilated storage of the wood during its transits is called foxiness. The defect caused by imperfect seasoning is called honeycombing. Seasoning of timber improves strength property of timber. Correct answer B. The purpose of seasoning of timber is to reduce moisture content. The moisture content in timber for frameworks should not exceed 15%. The time required for air seasoning of softwood is 60 to 90 days. The time required for seasoning of timber in kiln seasoning is 2 to 5 days. The timber whose thickness is less than 5 semi and the width exceeds 12 semi is called a इसको क्या बोला जाता? बोर्ड. The strength of timber is maximum in the direction dash to the grains parallel. An assembled product made up of veneers and adhesives is called plywood. The thickness of 5-ply sheet varies from 6 to 9 mm. The thickness of lamin boards vary from 12 to 12 to 25 mm. The wood generally used for railway sleeper is kale. The chief ingredient of a paint is pigment. The chief ingredient of a paint is pigment. The liquid medium used in oil paint is linseed oil. The pigment in paints is mixed to give desired color. The liquid part of the paint is called vehicle. The liquid part of the paint is called vehicle. The liquid medium used in enamel paints is varnish. The metallic oxide used in the form of powder in a paint is called base. The base in a paint is added to hide the surface to be painted. C. Correct answer C. The commonly base used in a paint is iron oxide, zinc oxide, titanium white. any one of these. यहाँ पे ए बी सी का कोई भी आंसर हो सकता है. एनी वन. The thinner used for oil paint is turpentine. Linseed oil in paint is used as a carrier. So that's all for today. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करें. अगर आप हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.